Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Microsoft 365 account you're using and why personal versus work makes a difference. Sign into account. Microsoft.com with the exact account that owns the subscription. Make sure two-factor authentication is available. Once signed in, go straight to Services and Subscriptions to view active plans. If you're an admin, open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center instead. You'll need subscription management rights. Also, backup OneDrive and export mail. Those files won't always be preserved. Next, locate the exact subscription entry and click Manage or View Details. This reveals renewal, billing cycles, and cancellation options. Choose Cancel or turn off recurring billing. Microsoft sometimes offers downgrade or refund options, so read the prompts. If you're on an organization plan, remove licenses for users first, and then cancel the subscription from billing subscriptions. Make sure to confirm the cancellation reason when asked. This unlocks refund eligibility or prorated returns in some cases. Finish by confirming the cancellation and noting the effective date. Microsoft will usually send an email receipt. Save it. Make sure recurring billing is off in the Payment Methods area, and check your next bank statement to confirm no further charges. If you were charged incorrectly, contact Microsoft support immediately with your subscription ID, billing email, and transaction details. Request a refund politely and provide screenshots if needed. If access persists after cancellation, sign out everywhere and clear cache to force account state refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.